Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to enable and how to turn off Do Not Disturb mode in settings in a Realme 14 Pro phone. So to enable Do Not Disturb mode we need to go to settings first, then we need to scroll down to sounds and vibration, and here we have our Do Not Disturb function, which we can enable and we can customize using this menu right here. I will turn it off. Of course, we can do it faster by simply sliding here and looking for the Do Not Disturb option in these shortcuts. If the option is not here, we can use the setting option. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.